Hello everyone, this is your biology teacher from NVN School Bluki. Welcome back to your next video of your chapter 2nd Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. And in last video we had discussed about some features of pollen grains, pollen viability and pollen allergy etc. And in this video I am going to discuss about the development of pollen tube, how the pollen tube develop in a pollen grain. So let's start. You know very well that there is a two type after division. There is a two types of cell generated inside the pollen grain, that is generative cell and vegetative cell. There are two separate parts and the two nuclei and separate nucleus. Here is generative cell and here is vegetative cell. So mitosis division occurs in generative cell. Mitosis division occur in generative cell and form two nucleus. Here you can see easily, and after that it become after that two male gametes are formed. Here is one and two. Here two male gametes are formed. This is not clearly visible in this picture, and please go through your notebook and open page number 26. Here you can see clearly. After that, as this is written in this paragraph, mitosis occurs in generative cells of microspore pollen grain, as I told you, and form two male gametes. Here it is. And at the time of pollination, the pollen grain is either 2 cell or 3 cell. How can it be 2 cell and how can it be 3 cell? So when there is a division is occur, it becomes 3 cell, that is tube cell and 2 male gametes. But if at the time of pollination the division is not occur, then it remains 2 cell, that is tube cell and the generative cell. So after pollination, the compatible pollen grain observed. Compatible means with the pollen grain which is well developed and which is capable in absorbing the water and the nutrients on the stigma, and the tube cell enlarges, so that if from this it get the nutrients, so the tube cell gets enlarged. It comes out of the pollen grains and it comes out of the pollen grain through one of the germ pore and form the pollen tube. Here it is. This is pollen tube, you can see. So here this is the development of pollen tube in a pollen grain. In next video lecture we will discuss about the female reproductive organ. Thank you.